Team V, hello, how are you? We're here in my garden to talk about fall harvesting. So fall is a special time of year because lots of plants are ripe. So let's go take a look. All right, friends. So you might not know what all these things are, but I'm here to talk about what is ripe in the fall and why fall is so important. I'm also going to show you what certain fruits and vegetables look like actually on the vine or on the bush or on the tree. And let's start right here. So here, down here, we have yellow beans. These are beans on a little bean bush. They can also grow up really tall here. Now, I bet you don't know what this is. What do you think that is? What do you think? Well, some plants grow above ground and other plants grow below ground. So let's see if I can pull this out. Oh. It's the teeniest, teeny weeniest carrot. So carrots, that guy's not quite done, so I'm gonna tuck him back in. Carrots grow underground. All right, over here is another thing that grows underground. You can see the top of it peeking up. Pull it. It is a beet. That's a beet. Yeah. All right, moving on. This, I'm not sure if you've seen our pumpkin video yet, but these are pumpkin leaves. And here, hidden inside, is our pumpkin. Now this one's still green. There are some pumpkins that stay green all the time. And this might be one of those, but I'll show you an orange one in just a minute. These leaves here, you might not know what those are. They're actually attached to celery. And that's what celery looks like when it's growing in the garden. And over here, this huge thing, huge tall thing, is actually not ready. But inside here, you see those? Those things are gonna be Brussels sprouts on this huge thing. Now over here I have something you probably know. What are those? That's right, raspberries. And they're delicious. Let's just pick one right off the bush. Tasty. Could eat those all day. Now usually raspberries are already in the summer, in the late summer. I have a late blossoming, these are so good. Late blossoming raspberry bush. So those are raspberries and that's what they look like. So here, those are herbs. Those are also herbs. But we got something really cool. Look at that. What that is? Yeah, broccoli. Did you know that broccoli looks like that on the plant when it grows? I bet you didn't. You know why? Because I didn't. All right, other than the other herbs, I'm gonna show you what a ripe pumpkin looks like. So I have to go down to my bottom garden, which is just down over here. Open the gate, unlock it. There we go. All right, so here, friends, is our pumpkin that we're gonna use this Halloween. There he is. And he's orange as can be, and he's growing on the vine. It's almost ready to harvest.
Mom.
And there's Leo. Looks like it's time for me to go. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys. Bye.